Don't scroll. Your big dreams could be closer than you think. Today, let's talk about the power of micro wins. Imagine this. You're thirsty and handed a bucket. You're not told a river is miles away. You're just asked to fill the bucket with tiny drops of water. It feels slow at first, right? But drop after drop, the bucket gets heavier. Eventually, it's full. That's the magic of micro wins. Each small victory adds up, creating momentum toward your goals. Think about a towering skyscraper. It doesn't spring up overnight. It happens brick by brick, layer by layer. Each brick is a micro win. Each layer, progress. The same applies to you. Celebrate sending that email, finishing that workout, or completing that to-do list item. These seem small, but the impact? Huge. Why? Because they keep you moving. They're proof you're capable. Those little affirmations tell a bigger story. You're building something extraordinary. Remember, every drop in the bucket counts. Keep showing up for yourself. Start small, but stay consistent. By achieving one micro win today, you'll be amazed at the massive victories awaiting you tomorrow. So, what's your micro win for today? Commit to it, celebrate it, and watch how little steps take you far from where you started. Because success, it's built micro win by micro win.